Ahoy, mateys! And guess what? I get to cook some recipes from this book, Mary Ann's Gilligan's Island Cookbook. This is exciting. This cookbook is really cool with fun pictures, exciting stories, and of course, some great recipes. So sit right back and then it's time for me to cook some victuals. We're gonna start with this special one. It's Ginger's Hawaiian ginger beets. Woo! I do think Ginger's pretty great, but I like Mary Ann better. Let's start by grabbing a skillet. Throw in a little butter with a chopped onion. While those are softening, grab a bowl. You need a can of those pineapple tidbits, and then we need to save that juice. Add a 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, and a little salt. Blend that well. Let's add that sauce and allow it to thicken. That's definitely thick. Now you add a can of beets. You can add 2 cans if you want. And a couple tablespoons of ginger. Allow that to simmer and blend in the flavors. Just before serving, add those pineapple tidbits. We're going to stir those in and let it heat through. Ginger's ginger beets. It definitely looks like something they would eat on the island. Your cheers. Definitely feels like a sweet and sour sauce on top of those beets and onions. It's not bad at all. It is kind of good having that mix of sweet and sour. It's an easy side dish, perfect for that Hawaiian luau you want to throw next Thursday. It is very exciting. I'm going to give it a 6.8 out of 10. Good buddy. I have a question. What was Ginger's last name in the show? Time for another recipe. We're going to make something called Orange You Glad It's Onion Salad? Huh. Grab a bowl. It says you start by cutting up 4 oranges and putting them in a bowl. I'm just going to put in 4 of those mandarin orange cups, drained. And we need to add a chopped red onion and mix it in. Grab another bowl. 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard. Blend that together and pour over those onions and oranges. And this will get refrigerated at least 2 hours. When frustrated, what did the captain hit Gilligan with? Orange you glad it's onion salad? Let's try it. I like it. I like that sauce a lot. The onions aren't like jumping out at me, but it works really great. Onions and oranges, which I did not expect in a million years. So I think I'm going to give this salad a 7.2 out of 10. Cheers. This is a cool cookbook. Are you a fan of Gilligan's Island? What was your favorite episode? And another question for you. I absolutely love Mrs. Howell. She's probably my favorite character. What does her husband like to call her? Why did Gilligan and the skipper have such a difficult relationship? Anchor management issues.